Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the account details you'll use. Make sure your email is exact and your password matches. Then update Rec Room and your device operating system because outdated builds cause auth errors. Once done, use a stable network, Wi-Fi or wired, and clear the app cache and force stop it to remove stalled sessions. You'll now reopen Rec Room and attempt sign-in, watching for any explicit error messages to note for the next steps. If sign-in still fails, use the password reset flow and follow the reset link in your inbox. Check spam and any secondary addresses. Next, confirm which provider is linked to your Rec Room account, Apple, Google, Steam, and reauthorize that provider from its settings because token expiry can block logins. Also verify the email verification flag in your account. If you haven't completed verification, finish it now. Once these steps are complete, try signing in again to see if the authentication tokens refresh. To finish, reinstall the app after backing up any local save data. A fresh install clears corrupt files and often resolves stubborn login faults. You should also attempt signing in on a different device or the web client to determine whether the problem is device-specific. If login succeeds elsewhere, focus on device settings. If not, gather error codes, timestamps, and screenshots, then contact Rec Room support. Troubleshooting tip: if you receive a session or token error, revoke app permissions for Rec Room in the linked provider and reauthorize.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.